What's going on, y'all? Young Project back in the building, and today we got a little bit of a vlog. It's just installing these window louvers I just got. They're right here, matter of fact. I just got these 2 days ago, I believe. I just ordered them on Amazon. They're like 50 bucks, I believe, flat, literally. And I'm not sure, like I haven't really seen. Oh no, don't tell me they're stuck. Oh no. Dang, them things already got stuck. I don't even know how. But I got these on Amazon, 50 bucks for two. And honestly, they're pretty fresh. Mess with them hard, man. Got that 3M tape on there. And we finna install them, man. Check them out. Let's put this on. Son, that's gonna look hard. Okay. I just need a car wash though. I need to wash my car first. Yeah, so first things first, I'm finna wash the car after I put the window louvers on. And then, no, wait, what? So first things first, we're finna wash the car. Have it all clean nicely. It's all dirty. Can't really see, but it's like dusty and all that. But for sure gotta wash the car, get a clean surface and everything. And then probably put the blow dryer on this, heat it up a little bit, you know, so it sticks good. I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do. I hope, but definitely finna do that, clean it up, and then boom, window louvers. That's gonna look fresh, man. Look at that. Woo! Dang, son. Definitely well worth it for like the design, you know? Perfect. Sun shining, looking beautiful. Beautiful day out here. God bless, man. Let's do it. Let's bag in this car and give it a clean wash, man. Let's do it. Out of the. All clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Time to wash this thing. Can't forget about the trees, man. Always. Every time I wash the car. Yeah. Brand new. Beautiful. Smells beautiful. Shout out, Grandma. Bless. Beautiful day. Sunshine. Alright, so we just finished vacuuming. It's a little late now. Not really late. I mean, it's like 6:30, but I'm finna wash the car. To get it done real quick, 30 minutes. And then we'll get the blow dryer, put the heat gun on the 3M tape, and then boom. Slap them on. Bam. Right there. Don't mind the bird poo. That's nasty. That's finna come off, but it's gonna look great, man. So give it a wash right quick. Bam. Alright. Car's all clean, man. Uh-oh. Dang, trees me. Car is beautiful. Look at that shine though. Yeah. Alright, car is low-key spotless. Time to put the window louvers on. I don't think I really need to wipe it down anymore. I'll clean it up a bit. Then we'll heat it up. We'll heat the 3M tape up a bit. And then we'll stick it right on, man. Let's get it. Alright, time to put the window louver on, man. Let's go. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Hey, I hope this thing stays on, man. So I really don't want it to fall off. Let's hold it here for like 20 seconds. Make sure this thing don't come off, man. This is gonna look sick though. That's for sure. I hope it doesn't mess up the window though. You know what I'm saying? Like leave the sticky stuff on it. I think it'll be straight. Think that's good? I'm scared, man. What if it falls off on the freeway, bro? It should fly out, boy. Oh my goodness. I don't know, maybe I should get the edges maybe a little. I got the chest mount on. Dang. Would you look at that? I can barely see, it's kind of dark, but let's get a light on it. Show! Barely see. It's like too glossy black, man. That thing looks sick though, for sure. Oh yeah. That's sick. Dang, man. For sure, a great investment. That thing looks sporty now. Hybrid sports, huh? Come on. Time for number 2. Damn, that thing look crazy, man. Good. Wipe down. Damn, it should start from the bottom. Start from the bottom. Go to the top. Stick that thing. Go to the top. And we'll just hold. Hold the bottom. Let's put the sides actually. Hold the sides for like a minute. Don't want to break it. Don't put too much weight on it. These are pretty solid though. 40 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Dang, that looks beautiful. See more light right here a little bit. I got the GoPro on my chest, you know. Man, this thing crazy. Yeah. Now that looks sick. Just need the black spoiler. Black spoiler. This thing gonna look gangster. Black rims. I'm keeping the chrome, man, because the chrome actually looks real nice, shiny. Matches with, you know, the aesthetics of the other chrome on the rest of the car. Y'all seen it though. Y'all seen my car wash video. You see the whole chrome and everything on there. Spoiler. I mean, it's white spoiler right now, not black yet. Get that soon. Not soon, but eventually. Yeah, if you haven't checked out the car wash video, man, put the link down below. You can go check it out. Washed my car. It took me like 4 hours, but it's all good. Great. I think that's good, man. I think that's beautiful. That does it, man. That concludes the window louvers presentation, man. Let's get it. Let's go, man. That concludes it. I'm tired, man. It's dark out. Look at the sunset. The sun's gone, man, but it's going to bed now. Yeah, thank y'all for watching me. Ciao, ciao. Oh, you couldn't even see it. That thing was low key. Now you can see it. Ciao, ciao. That thing look good. Let's see the other side. Might be better light. Ciao, ciao. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it? Oh my goodness. Glossy black. The thing matches the windows. Feel me? Dang. Alright, y'all. That concludes this window louvers vlog. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. 19 subscribers, man. Thank you for our support. Truly appreciate it from the bottom of mi corazón, for real. But thanks y'all for tuning in, man. See myself. Yeah, GoPro. But yeah, man. Washed the car up, vacuumed it, washed it up, put the louvers on, man. This thing looks good. Get ready for tomorrow's day, man. Tomorrow's day, y'all gonna see the vlog, man. It's gonna be fun. I don't want to spoil too much, but it's gonna be fun, trust. Let's get it. Thank y'all for watching, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, Young Project. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for more content. And just like this, man. More content, more vlogs. You guys seem to like the vlogs a lot, so I've been doing those more a little bit, but Call of Duty videos for sure coming, for sure. I just gotta think of more ideas to do and maybe streaming more and just have fun, man. Have fun with it. Just want to inspire, man, and yeah, man. Make the most out of this YouTube, man. It's fun. I'll enjoy it. Done it when I was younger, so yeah, man. Window louvers on. This thing looks sporty now, hybrid sport, but yeah, man. Let's get it. Turn up. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see. Comment down below. Peace out. See you guys.